Welcome to the RBG Rating Hub. In this quick introduction, we'll review the basics of the application and point out the first few things you should do once you log in. The first page you'll see is your dashboard. In the beginning, it'll likely be empty, but look more like this after a while. The dashboard will show you information at a glance about quotes you've completed, quotes still in progress, and upcoming renewals. Click on any of the graphs to view exactly those projects. In this case, all quotes with May effective dates that are in Stage 3, which means you've already begun creating proposals for this quote. Use these buttons on the left to navigate the application. Here you can jump to your account, quotes, groups, favorites, and support. First, head to your account page. Here you can update your NPN and tax ID number. Some carriers require that we check if you're appointed to quote them in a particular state. Generally, we check using these values. You should upload your logo here, along with any custom disclaimer you may want to display on proposals. If you don't put one here, we'll use our default disclaimer. You can always start a new quote here. Let's head over to the Quotes section. This is where you'll see a list of all of your quotes, ordered by the date it was quoted. Here you'll notice a few design elements that are used throughout the application. A prominent search bar at the top, where you can search by quote ID, group name, or broker name. Search is often the quickest way to find what you're looking for. As you'll see with many sections of the application, the Quotes page is divided into filters at the top and results down below. Applying a filter changes what is displayed below. In addition to applying a filter, you can sort the results by clicking on any of the column headers here. So, filters change what is displayed in the results area, and sorting changes the order the results are displayed in. When you click on a quote, you'll see a series of tabs across the quote page. This is another common design element of the application. Here on the Summary tab, you'll see some basic information about the quote, any notes or requotes over here. If you want to create a new proposal from this quote, you can always jump into the Proposal Builder from this button here. If you need to get new rates for this group because of the census, SIC code, or effective date has changed, you can requote this group here. On the Plan Info tab, you can see what plans are currently selected. If you ever need to recreate a proposal, head over to that tab. Here you can see all the proposals that have been created on this quote. You can always click on the report icon to generate and download that specific proposal. You can see the most current census on this tab. Let's look quickly at groups. Here you'll see all your groups ordered alphabetically. Again, notice the prominent search bar, usually the best way to find a group. Notice too that this page is divided by filters at the top and results down below. You can filter groups based on renewal date or sales rep, and you can always sort the results by using the column headers here. If we click on a group, we'll see a nice summary on the General Info tab, a list of quotes associated with this group on the Quotes tab, census information here, and a place to collaborate and send notes to your team members or RBG reps here. The last two sections are Favorites and Support. We have a quick tutorial video on setting up and using favorites, so be sure to check that out. But essentially, this is where you can set up some favorite lists to make selecting plans on a quote quick and easy. Support is where you'll find contact information about your RBG support reps, as well as videos and other support documentation to help you get started. So, to recap, when you log in, head to the account page and make sure your NPN, logo, and disclaimer are updated. Then head to your Favorites section and set up your favorite list. Then it's time to get quoting. We'll cover that in a separate video as well.